Good evening to all the participants. First of all, sorry for inconvenience today you faced because the class was scheduled at 5:30, but that was rescheduled. So now today we are going to talk about very important topic, that is the hardware that we are going to use it over here that we have discussed earlier. So we are going to use Arduino plus Wi-Fi module, and over there what we are going to use, we are going to use that cloud, that is remote XY. And with that cloud, important thing is that how we are going to connect with the internet. So we have used earlier Bluetooth module with the remote XY. Now we are going to use that Wi-Fi module with the remote XY. So that we are going to use it over here. And using Wi-Fi module, how we can connect with the internet, that things that we are going to discuss, and we are going to perform practical to control any appliance using IoT. So first of all, we have designed the mobile app like this. So हमने ऐप को डिजाइन किया था. So like this. So tomorrow will be your last class. So in the tomorrow there will be one class. So that schedule we will update you, and after that there will be a quiz. So quiz we can reschedule in any coming days. So as per your convenience that we can reschedule it, so that you can give that quiz properly after preparations. So you have to watch all the previous class recording that is available on the YouTube channel. Okay. So now this one is the button that we have discussed. So what we are going to do, we are going to select the pin for controlling appliance on the Arduino. And then this one is the switch. Over there we are going to control appliance using different pin like 30 number pin. So this one is for 12 number pin and this one is for 30 number pin. Then after that, I'm going to increase or decrease size. That also we can do it over here. So assignment is not a compulsory, but quiz is compulsory. So assignment is not a compulsory, but quiz everyone has to give it. So kindly prepare the quiz and all the quiz related questions that we are going to take it from the classes that is uploaded on the YouTube. So that was live class we have done on the YouTube channel. That link already I shared in the group, that you can find it over there. Now quiz will be in the next week, that we will update you when you don't have any kind of classes schedule. At the time we are going to take the quiz. So you will get a time, proper time, might be that can be 1 week time. So might be in the next Saturday we can take the quiz. So now over there, what we are going to do, we are going to configure setup. So we have to click on the Bluetooth. So I will update all the detail related to quiz in the end of the session. इस सेशन के एंड में आपको क्विज की पूरी डिटेल आपको देंगे, क्या क्या होगा, कितने मार्क्स होंगे, कितने क्वेश्चंस होंगे, दैट वी विल अपडेट यू. सो बी पेशेंट. सो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे वी हैव टू क्लिक सिलेक्शन ब्लूटूथ and we have to select over here cloud server. This one we are doing it using IoT. Earlier we have used Bluetooth module. Now we are going to use IoT over there, Internet of Things. That how we are going to control it over there. So now what next we are going to do it over here, select it, that cloud server connections, then module we have to select Wi-Fi module like this Arduino Uno plus Wi-Fi module that we are going to select it over there. So after doing these selections, what next we have to do, all the setup is complete, apply it, and then after that we are going to find these options over there. So go to the setting now. Next option is go to the setting. In the setting, what we are going to do it over here, we are going to select this one is hardware interface. So that is connected on the 0 and 1 pin, that Wi-Fi module, and baud rate we have to change it, that is 115200. So this one is my baud rate that we are going to select it. Then after that, what next we have to do it over here, we are going to select this one SSID. So this one we are going to select it. So SSID, what it means कि आपको अपने मोबाइल का हॉटस्पॉट क्रिएट करना है. So with the mobile hotspot or with the any available network, you have to connect your Wi-Fi module so that can be get connected with the internet. So that you have to do it. For doing that, what is required? You have to give the credential of your available Wi-Fi name. So my Wi-Fi name is Innovation Lab. That is mobile hotspot, and the password is nil right now. If you want to set up any password, that also you can set up it. So like I'm just going to set up my password also, so that any other person cannot connect with my Wi-Fi. Then this one is the cloud server, that is the token that we can select it. So there is many tokens over there. You can create new one also, that also we have discussed in a previous class how we can create a token. Now I'm going to select this token. When we are going to do it first time, you have to create that token like this. Then after that, you have to select the token and all the setup is complete. Again, repeating all the steps. First of all, we have to go to the configurations. We have to click on the cloud server or Bluetooth. We have to select over here cloud server. Then we have to select module, that is Arduino Wi-Fi module, that is ESP826 module. And then we can apply it. That setup we have already done. Then Arduino, then Wi-Fi module, then setting. In the setting, we have to go with hardware setup, serial interface, baud rate, Wi-Fi name, password, and cloud server like this that you can see over here. Then after that, we are going to see over here, get the source code like this. So get the source code over here. Now you can see your code is generated like earlier we have done it. So this one code we have to copy it and that we have to paste it in the Arduino software. I'm going to open Arduino software and we are going to copy this code also. So copy this code like this, right click, copy, and then after that this code we are going to paste it in the Arduino software. And after pasting the code, what next we have to do? We have to connect that Arduino plus Wi-Fi module with the computer and we have to upload the program in that Arduino plus Wi-Fi module. So that process we have to follow it. So now let's the Arduino software that is being get opened. So this one is my Arduino software over there. I'm going to open new and delete previous code. And in the Arduino software, we are going to paste the code on the whatever code we have copied it from the software like this. Then what we have to do, we have to verify the code. From this button you can verify it. So code will be get verified because we have done nothing change over there. Everything is same to same that we have pasted it over there. After that, what next you have to do? Verification is going on, wait for the moment. Done. Then go to the tool. From the tool we have to select the port. Now port is not visible. So for that, what we have to do for the port selections, we have to connect that Arduino Uno plus Wi-Fi module with this setup, whatever setup we are having. So we have to connect it over there. So I'm going to connect my hardware. So be with me. So Arduino Wi-Fi board that I'm going to connect it with my computer. Now that is connected. So you are going to hear some sound over there. So after that, again, you have to check it out in the tool and you will able to see your COM port. Now my COM port is showing over here. So it's saying that device not recognized. Okay, let me check it out. Go to the device manager if you want to check it out if there is any error in the device manager or in the port connections. So there is no port. Let me connect it again. Disconnect it. Connect it again. Not recognized yet. Change the port. So it is connecting. COM port is visible now. You can see COM98 is there. So what we have to do after doing this, we have to upload this code and select the COM port, that is COM98. We have selected it. Then after that, we have to upload using this button. That is the same setup that we have done it earlier. Might be that Arduino COM port is not visible. Okay, that is okay. Then upload it. Wait for the moment the code is uploading. After uploading the code, we have to done uploading over here. So what next we have to do over there? We have to connect that Arduino board with the Wi-Fi. So what I have done over here, I'm just going to show you in the video that you can see it. So now you can see over here in the video the hardware that we are using it. So what we have done, we have uploaded the code in the hardware. So after uploading code, what next we have to do? So there is some my USB is little bit loose. So now after uploading the code, what next we have to do? We have to go to that setup of Wi-Fi. That how Wi-Fi is being get connected. So power is on right now. So my port is little bit loose. Let me use another port, another side one. That is working fine. So now what next we have to do? After doing this, we have to go to the mobile app and we have to turn on the mobile hotspot. So that I'm going to do it. So you can see over here in the mobile phone, I'm just going to share my mobile screen so that you can see that how that is working. So that I'm going to check it out. Okay. Wait for a moment. My USB is little bit loose. Let me use another one. So then after that, we have to open the same mobile app. And also one more thing, we have to check it out on the cloud also. So in cloud also, we can see how many devices are connected over there. Okay. Now we are going to check it out. The device is connected with my computer. So we have to go to that remote XY and you can see over here, go to your project, my token. So in the my token, you will able to see how many devices are connected. Now you can see this one was the token that we have selected that is connected now. So what next step we have to do? We have to go to the mobile app. So that is mobile app in the remote XY that we are using it. So I'm going to move over here with the remote XY. Remote XY, I'm going to use it over here. Go to the remote XY. And I'm just going to share first of all the mobile screen.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so now you can see mobile screen over there. And over there, we have to check it out the Wi-Fi device. So over there, two devices connected with my Wi-Fi. So two devices are connected over here with my hotspot. One is my mobile phone and another is unknown device. That is my Wi-Fi module that is connected with this one. So then after that, we have to open remote XY app. This one app, we are going to open it. So when we are going to open it first time, it will be look like this. We have to click on the plus button, or you can use that QR code also that is available over there in that remote XY app. That also we can use it. But I'm going to click on the plus button. Previously, we have used Bluetooth. Now we are going to use cloud, internet. We have to select the last option, cloud server. And this token number already we have given device token, that is BBBB. There is a detail name that you can see on the web portal. So now after that we have to connect it. So now after doing this, the connection, so you will able to see whatever mobile app we have designed, that is visible. Now that mobile app is connected using IoT, using internet. So if my mobile is placed 100 kilometer away or 2000 kilometer away, but that is connected with the internet, and my Arduino board is placed in another end, so we will able to control Arduino using the mobile app, using internet. Very simple way without any code. We have written it over here. That will work fine. Now I'm going to connect LED over there in the hardware, and I'm going to show that how it will work. So be with me. I'm going to connect LED over there. So now what we are going to do, I'm just going to connect one LED on the pin number 13 and ground or 12, that you can take it, and you will be able to control those pins using your board. Okay, now I'm just going to show you on the hardware that how it will look like. Now let me share camera also. So over there you can see the LED is connected. So LED we have connected over there. Now in this LED, what we are going to do it, I'm going to turn it on using my button. So like this button, I'm going to make it on. So LED is turning on and turning on, like earlier we have done on the Bluetooth also. So this one we are doing using IoT, using internet, using a remote location, we can make it on and off. So after this LED, what next we can do it, we can connect over here that IoT application. IoT mean any sensor you can connect it. Based on that you can control the appliance, and you can control appliance using this mobile app. And like you can connect relay module also over there, and then after that you can control AC appliance also. So all the setup is same, just you have to connect using that Wi-Fi module. The module we are using it over here, that is Arduino Uno plus Wi-Fi module. This one module we are using it over here. If we are going to connect pin number on the 12, because we have connected a program over here for 2 pins, 2 buttons. So this button will work, that push button you can see in the mobile screen. With the help of that you can make it on and off on 12 number pin, and 30 number pin also you can control it using this button. So multiple pins you can connect it over there, and based on that you can control your appliance. Okay, so now coming back over here, so whatever setup we have done it, that we have done it on the cloud. So now coming back to computer screen. Okay, so over here also you can see the setup we have done, and you can see on the cloud that cloud is connected now. So this one is very simple approach. With the help of that, you can connect with the internet easily. So that is one setup. Then after that, what next we can do it, if we want to write your own customized code. This one tool is for without writing any single line. आपका code automatically यहाँ पे बन जाएगा. So if you want to send data to another cloud, like earlier we have used that ThinkSpeak cloud. In this cloud, if you want to send the data, you have to write your customized code over there. So that code you have to upload it on the hardware, and after that you have to send data to this cloud. So for that, I'm just going to use over here code. First of all, let me log in this cloud. And after doing login, so all the setup we have discussed in a previous class. Today we will directly upload the code in this cloud. And we will send data to the cloud. So for that, I'm going to open simple project for DST11 ThinkSpeak. So earlier we have tried in the simulation using WalkV. In the WalkV that was not working. So I'm going to use simple ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and that thing, one sensor we can mount it over there, that is DST11 sensor. That also we can use it over there. So using that sensor DST11, what can be done over there? We will able to send data of temperature and humidity from the hardware to this cloud. So let it get open. This one is taking a lot of time. Okay. So this one is a simple code that we are going to use it for DST sensor. So over there we are going to use, these are the different sensor pin like soil moisture sensor, you can use it, and different sensor data you can send it. This one is the API key, and DST sensor we can use it. This one is a standard code, you can get it on the internet also, that code easily available. So this one key we are going to change it. So let me open that key. ThinkSpeak. Okay, now you can see we have made one channel, this IIOT, earlier in the previous class. So this channel we are going to add on over here the API key. Where is my API key? यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगी API key, और right API key को copy करना है. This one key we want to copy it. Now after that, what next we have to do it? We are going to use over here this API key in our code. So हमारे कोड के अंदर ये API key इसे हमें change करना है. So this API key we are going to change it. So what else you can do it over here? All other setup is same. इसके अलावा आपको कुछ भी change नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. So API key we have changed it, and then Wi-Fi name is, this one is Innovation Lab LLP, and password is nil. So password is nothing over here. So if you want to add on password, that also we can do it, but without password also we can connect it. So that is delay, DST sensor, analog read, temperature, API, ThinkSpeak, and then after that it will start working. Okay. So now what next we have to do? You can verify this code, and then we are going to upload it in this board, Arduino plus Wi-Fi board. We are going to upload this code. So be with me. I'm just going to upload this code in Arduino. So it's saying some error over there. So what is the error? Let me check it out. Okay, this one is the error about the multiple file over there. I'm going to open this code in another Arduino software. So we have to use Arduino software. So because I'm having multiple software, that's why that conflict is occurred. If you are going to use directly in the Arduino, you will not face any issue over there. So we are having version is right now Arduino 1.8.10. So let me use 1.8.9. So directly just we have to execute that file, and Arduino software will open like this, and you can paste your code and you can verify your code and you can upload that code. That code will work fine over there. So let it get open, and then after that we are going to send data to the cloud. So over there I'm going to select it. This one is my code. After updating this API key, you can verify the code. In the verification you can get it, what is the problem in your code. So if you're facing any problem in the verifications, that you can resolve it, and again you can upload the code. So your code should be get verified first. अगर आपका कोड वेरीफाई नहीं हो रहा, then it's a problem in the software. So done compiling, you can go to the tool. Port is COM11. Select it and then upload it. Right now I have not connected any sensor. अभी हम डायरेक्टली इसे अपलोड करके ही सिंपल चेक करेंगे. दिस वन कोड इज फॉर मल्टीपल सेंसर, 2 sensor, 3 sensor we are using it over here. Done uploading. So after done uploading, what next we have to do? We have to check it out that data is going on the cloud or not. So that we are going to do it, and we are going to remove that password. So might be there is disconnectivity, be with me. अपने हॉटस्पॉट का पासवर्ड डिसेबल कर रहा हूँ. सो सिक्योरिटी आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट नन. So might be connection get disconnected. Okay, now I think that is working. Okay, be with me. I'm just going to connect it. Okay, I'm just sharing it again. Might be my connection get disconnected. So now let me share the screen again. Okay. So this one is the cloud that we are using it, and now you can go to your private view. So over there your data should be visible. Whatever data you are sending it, that should be visible. Now location is coming over there, that we have done earlier also. Now multiple widget channel setting we can do it, and temperature, humidity, and 2 3 field also we are going to add on for different sensors. So if there is any other sensor which one is sending data, that should also visible. You can save channel. So now we are going to see that the data is coming or not. So multiple input we have taken it, and this one is our code. We have uploaded the code, and we are using different sensors over there, A0, A1, temperature sensor key. So now we have to wait for a few moments because there is a lot of delay over there. So after the delay, our data should, that is delay is 15 seconds. So that we can reduce it also. And then you are going to find that your data is going on the cloud. So your mobile should be connected with your internet. My device is not connected yet. Yes, that is connected now. So now we have to see that how much data we are getting it over here in the channel. 27 entries that we have get it, that is 9 days ago. So no latest data we have received yet. So wait for a moment. So now we are going to check it out, the data is coming or not. That should be visible. Still there is no data. Entry is 27. So let me check the internet connectivity is okay. Everything is okay. Data should go over there. So you can reduce the delay also over there. Right now we are having delay over here also, and upper side also. This one is delay over here. This one is 5 second innovation lab. That is okay. Let me make this delay 3 seconds. This one is also 3 seconds. Then again we are going to upload the code. So port got disconnected. Let me connect it again. COM11, uploading it. So after uploading the code, we have to check it out, all the setup again. Baud rate. wire DST library is okay. Uploading is going on. Here is my uploading done. After that I will disconnect it and I will check it out again. So over there might be you have to face some troubleshooting, but you have to try it again and definitely that will work over there. So tool com is 11. If there is any problem over there, we can upload the code again. So error is there, tool, port is there. Let me connect it again. Upload it. So let me see another code. This one is yes done, is uploading is done over there. So after uploading, we have to move ahead. So I'm going to open this one code. That is simple things speak code. Okay. So now we have to go to that Wi-Fi connection that we can check it out. So first of all, let me check this code again. So this one is another code that is very simple one code. So this one is for node MCU code. So whenever we are going to use node MCU in the next class, then we will discuss this code. So this one is for node MCU. No, we are not using right now this code. So this previous code we have uploaded, that same code we are going to check it out, this one. So now this code uploading is done. So what next we have to do? We have to check the data. Data is not visible over there. Might be the internet is slow, but that should be work. The process is same like this. So I think we have to remove the channel. Multiple field is there. Data should be visible. It's showing only 27 entries. 9 days ago, no new data we have received. API key we are using it. This one you can check again all the API key. Channel number also you can see in the code. So in the code we are using no channel, wire library. These are the library sensor. That is okay. DST11 is okay. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. This one is okay. Trying to reconnect, okay. Humidity. This one is ThinkSpeak server error. Field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiple field we are using it over here. So temperature, humidity should go data over there. Okay. So now let me check it on the baud rate if it is showing anything. No line ending. Here is written new line. Both. So it's not showing any data over there. Okay. So again we are going to check it out. All the data is correct. We have to check it out the cloud. All the setup is correct. Private view you can see it. Still we are not able to receive the data over here. Might be there is some issue with the cloud and all that. So anyway, we will check it out, that one. There is some connectivity or issue also right now. I'm having little bit less connectivity, but that will work fine. No issue over there. So in the next class, I will show using that Wi-Fi module, and as well as we are going to use Node MCU also in the next class. And I will show over there how we are going to updating the data. So now we are going to sum up this class. Now we are going to discuss about the quiz, how we are going to do it, what are the things that we are going to use it over here. So in the quiz, there will be a 20 questions. Those are MCQ questions, like multiple choice questions that you are going to get it. So on the 20 questions, you have to answer all the 20 questions. So based on that, you are going to get the quiz. So all the questions will be based on the videos. Those are uploaded on the YouTube channel that we have done live broadcasting. So you have to watch all the videos. Out of that, we are going to take 20 questions, and based on that, you have to give quiz. So 20-minute time duration will be for the quiz, and 20 questions will be over there. So I think all the doubt related to the quiz is clear to everyone. So if there is further doubt regarding the quiz,